Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about our tax return. Where is it? What's going on with it? Everything. But we're also going to be talking about my husband's collision and his car troubles. So let's get into this video. We just got married in December, so we are married now, and we decided we were going to file together. We went to the AARP program, and they have them, I guess, throughout the city, and they're for free. So a tax representative goes in, volunteers their time, is trained to help people fill out their tax information and their taxes. So that's what we did. We went and we filed them for free. We didn't want to pay, but we also didn't want to do it online because this is our first year filing together, and we have lots of different forms. And at that last 2017 year, we had lots of different jobs. So because of that, we didn't feel comfortable filing it online, and we didn't feel comfortable having to pay somebody $200 to fill taxes. Like, that's not going to happen. So we went through the AARP, and we went on Friday, and it was, y'all, it was a story to tell. So I'm going to tell it to y'all. Married jointly, what we would have owed was a total of $3,829. I mean, that is crazy. But the tax representative, her name was Pam, she was very patient and she was kind, and she's like, let's see how your situation would change if you guys filed separately, married filing separately. So that's what we did. And she went through it all, and she plugged in our numbers, and I owed still $859 to the IRS and $45 to the state, which is a total of $904. That's a lot of money. But it's a whole lot better than $3,829, I'll tell you that much. My husband, he had a return. So he got $672 back. $600 from the IRS and $72 from the state. Okay. He said, I want to apply my return to your balance. So that way you only owe 200 something dollars. I owe $232 to the IRS, and I'm going to be having to take that out in my April 5th paycheck. I'm going to handle that. I'm going to give the IRS their money before April 15th because I'm not playing. And that's what our situation is with our tax returns. So he got money back, but he decided, instead of me being selfish, spending it on myself and having fun knowing that my wife is in need, I'm going to supply that need and give her that money. Like that, just like that. I'm like, no, don't do that, fighting up against things, because I wanted him to have that money and enjoy it himself. He's worked hard for it. But me being his wife and him being my husband, we work as a team. And of course, I'm going to take his help. I mean, I'm not going to deny it. Like, yes, at first I didn't want to do that because I wanted him to have his money. But I know that he loves me, and I know I love him, and I know we always help each other. No matter what, whether we are at whatever feeling or situation we're going through, we are there for each other. So, that was just a very selfless act of love. And I didn't expect that. I was sitting there. Of course, I was running my mouth, but more than running my mouth, like, I was also later on in the day speechless. Like, he did this act of love for me, and instead of being selfish, instead of feeling like this is my return, I'm not going to give it to you, he applied his return to my balance. It's going to be hitting my account. Like, that is crazy, because I know money is just money, but not a lot of people would do that. And I'm just at loss for words, y'all. I'm at loss for words at how special and how important and how valuable, just how telling that situation was to me. So, y'all, I'm all in my feels. I'm all in the heart, because that was kind. That was selfless. That was everything. Everything. It meant everything to me. So I just appreciate you, honey. I love you. I know you're not watching this, but I love you anyways. And anyways, that's what's going on with our tax return. But for his collision situation. So on Saturday morning, he decided he wanted to go handle some things, went out, and guess what happened? Some collisions happened. Tires messed up. And I decided, you know what? I know he helps me, and I know I always help him no matter what we're going through, no matter how we feel, no matter whether we're on each other's nerves or not, we're always there for each other. And I took some of my sinking funds and I gave him the money. I have no regrets. I still have my sinking fund, some of my sinking funds intact, and he's okay. I'm okay. He's in a rental. My IRS situation is gonna get fixed as soon as it can, as soon as I get paid. Even if I have to move some money from my savings to my checkings just until his stuff from his income taxes comes into my checking account, I'm going to do that because I don't want to play with the IRS. But that's what's going on right now. I'm not paying any student loan additional payments right now for until at least April 20th, because y'all, that's a lot of money, and IRS first, then everything else. But I helped him. I took, my dental sinking fund. I took my car sinking fund, and I gave them to him. No regrets. No regrets. That's what they're there for. They're there so that way in case something happens, I have that money and I'm able to do what I need to do. And I'm okay with starting with zero in certain things. So that's all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.